Hey everyone, the Redmi Projector Lite, the newest projector in Xiaomi's lineup, was just revealed in China. As promised, this projector aims to give customers an inexpensive yet feature-rich solution. Let's examine its features and characteristics in more detail. The Redmi Projector Lite is developed to provide basic functionality without sacrificing build quality. Because of its 1080p resolution, images may be projected with clarity and sharpness. With a throw ratio of 1.2 to 1, users can enjoy screen dimensions of up to 100 inches, making it suitable for various viewing environments. In terms of brightness, the projector offers 150 CVIA lumens, which may not be the brightest in well-lit rooms, but promises clarity and vibrant colors, thanks to its sealed optical engine and advanced super-transparent lens technology. Xiaomi has taken into consideration the importance of eye comfort with the Redmi Projector Lite. It has received certification from SGS for its low blue light emissions. Additionally, Xiaomi claims a lifespan of up to 10 years for this projector, ensuring long-term usage. One of the standout features of the Redmi Projector Lite is its time-of-flight laser sensing module. Paired with AI algorithms, this module enables various automatic functions such as picture correction, displacement adjustment, and autofocus during startup. These automated features streamline the setup process, allowing users to enjoy their content without hassle. The projector supports side, oblique, and elevation projection, with automatic picture correction functioning within a 15 degrees angle. This versatility ensures flexibility in installation and usage scenarios. For connectivity options, the Redmi Projector Lite offers a range of ports including a 3.5mm headphone jack, HDMI ARC port, USB 2.0 interface, and a DC and power input. Users can control the projector conveniently using the Mijia app, and enjoy wireless screen projection from both computers and mobile devices. Furthermore, Bluetooth connectivity allows for seamless pairing with external audio devices, enhancing the overall viewing experience. The Redmi Projector Lite is now available for purchase through Xiaomi's Youpin platform and JD.com, offering consumers an affordable option for high-quality projection experiences. Price at 699 yuan, which is approximately $96, this projector provides excellent value for those looking to enhance their home entertainment setup without breaking the bank. The Xiaomi Redmi Projector Lite combines affordability with advanced features, making it a compelling choice for budget-conscious consumers who seek quality entertainment solutions. With its impressive specifications, eye comfort certifications, and innovative technologies, this projector aims to deliver a great value proposition in the crowded projector market. Thank you for watching this video to the end. It is very valuable to me. Have a nice day and God bless you.